Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about Plantogram reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam website. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question, should I buy from it or not. If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I'll share you the way to get your money back. So friends, let's check what this website is providing to the customer. From the images, one can easily understand that this website deals with variety of plants. Now let's check about the best-selling products. So here are some products with reasonable price, and currently they are offering discounts as well. You can check those products by visiting their official website. Now let's talk about payment policy. So friends, they have not updated anything regarding the payment policy here, but they may accept online payment methods like MasterCard, American Express, etc. Now let's go to the shipping policy. So the duration of the shipping policy is not mentioned, but they offer free shipping with FedEx if you have ordered. The total order is around $150. Now let's talk about legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. This website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means payment gateway is totally safe and secured. Besides this, the website has been registered on 3rd of July 2007 and hence it is an old website. Now if you want to know about us page, let's check into it. So there is an About Us page section available on the website, but it is plagiarized. If you want to know about the contact address, let's check into it. So as you can see, the contact numbers are mentioned here and the contact address is 1173 Windermere FL.347861173. Also, if you want to know about the email address, it is info@plantogram.com, which is same as domain name. Let's talk about social media presence. Friends, this website has social media presence over Facebook, Twitter, etc. and hence it can be counted as one positive point. Now, if you want to know about their return and refund policy, let's check into it. So friends, about this section, it is not updated in the website. Now, if you want to know about the customer reviews of this website, friends, there is no section for reviews where you can check the feedbacks. Also, we checked in Google, there are no reviews based on this website regarding the quality of the product, which is again a negative side for the website. If you ask about website content quality, then it is not good as most of them is copy-pasted from other sites. So on basis of the above discussion, we can say that this website is possibly a scam because there are a lot of negative points in the website. And we advise you to check all these points for all websites before making any payments or selection. This website is not trustable and you cannot think of investing money into it. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Also, we advise you to do your own research before investing money in such website. Do comment your thoughts about this video. We read all the comments over every videos. Keep commenting. Please like this video. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe.